In this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to do LinkedIn ad account setup in your campaign manager account. So in the previous videos, we have created LinkedIn campaign manager account. Now in that campaign manager account, we need to create multiple ad accounts in order to run ads for different purposes, different clients and different projects, right? So let's directly jump into my LinkedIn ad account and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my LinkedIn profile and now I'm going to click on this advertise button, right? Because I have already created the campaign manager account. That's why this advertise button is showing here in the menu itself, right? Now once I click on advertise, I'm into the campaign manager, and in campaign manager I can see this account over here which is created over here. So basically this is the ad account. Now if I want to create multiple ad accounts, so either I can click on this button, and once I click on this create button, I can click on account, and here I'll be able to create the account by filling all these details like account name, currency and the associated LinkedIn page with this particular for this particular ad account, right? Otherwise I can click on this ad account as well, and as you can see this one is totally active because we have added the billing. Now you can click here and again you can click here as well, create new account. Both options are same. You will be redirected to this option only. Now here you can name the account. So let's say I'm adding demo mf ads, right? Here you can set the currency. So this time I'm going with the USD, and here you can add the page as well. So I do have only one page, which is this one, right? So I've basically I do have only one page in this account. That's why I've selected that only, right? But it is suggested to use different pages for your different ad accounts, right? So that you can separately manage all the things. Now once you are done with all these details, just hit the create button and your account will be created. The new account will be created. Now it is showing on hold because we haven't set up billing yet for this particular account, but the account has been created, right? Now if you go back to campaign manager, let me go back. Let me directly click here on the advertise section, and here we land on the campaign manager. And here now you can see two accounts, and in the same way you can create multiple accounts for multiple projects, multiple clients, multiple purposes, right? I hope you understood the process and you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also you can share this playlist with your needy friends who want to learn LinkedIn marketing. And with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.